Hello and welcome back. I'm your host Reshma and this video is brought to you by Get Right Property, your most trusted real estate platform. And today I'm back with another premium residential project, which is Manna Warden Terraces. At Get Right Property, we don't do sale pitches, we work as advisors. We verify projects, we analyze micro markets, and we work as zero brokerage model, which means direct builder pricing and complete transparency and end-to-end support from rental to resale. And also you get a free complimentary gift as an iPhone when you book from us. In this video, we'll cover project overview, location, why this project, configuration, amenities, investment potential, developer credibility, who is this for, and your final closing. Warden Terraces is a premium residential project spread across 8.67 acres and with 572 units, and it has 2 towers with an elevation of 2 basement plus ground, on top of it 19 floors, and it has no common walls. And the best part about this project is it is a Vastu compliant project, and also this tower has 3 BHK rooms. Sarjapur is one of the fastest growing residential area, and this project is well connected to Sarjapur, Bellandur ORR and easy access to Koramangala and HSR layout. And if you're a working professional, then IT hubs like RGA Tech Park, RMZ EcoSpace and EcoWorld Prestige Tech Park are nearby this location. And if you have kids and you're worried about their education, then schools like Gare International School, Harvest International School, Greenwood International School, CMR and Oak Ridge International Schools are nearby. And hospitals like Apollo Hospital, Manipal Hospital, Motherhood hospitals are nearby this location. To know more about commute analysis and to check the location about schools, hospitals and nearby railway and airport areas, you can visit directly www.getrightproperty.com. Now let's move forward with the miniature. This is your entrance, and here there is a connectivity to Sarjapur Road and your Grey School. This will be your connectivity to your Grey School, and here right in front of your entrance you will have your clubhouse. This clubhouse is spread across 37,000 square feet with an elevation of ground plus 2 floors on top of it. Clubhouse has various amenities inside. You can see right on top of your clubhouse you will find a very wide and large pool with a ceiling as well, and inside your clubhouse you will have various amenities. You will also find your vehicle zone area. This will be your visitors parking zone, and right here you will find your amenities. Right beside your clubhouse you will have your Krishna temple. This, let me tell you, this is the only project which has temple inside. Also find your Pushkarni seating court. You can just see your seating court right there, and also you will have your avenue planting right in front of your temple. You will have your avenue planting, and also after your temple you can just see your flowering terraces, where you find a beautiful flowering planting there. Right in front of your entrance you will find your Navagraha garden, which is very beautiful. And moving forward, this project has Tower 1 and Tower 2. Tower 1 with an elevation of 2 basement plus ground plus 19 floors, and both the towers has same elevation. This will be your entrance of this tower, and it has 572 units and 8 apartments per floor. And moving forward, you can see the balconies with a greenery outside. If you're someone who loves greenery, then you can definitely go with this. Moving forward, this is your viewing gallery, and right after that you will find your game court, and this will be your grand gallery, and then right after that stepped terrace garden. And moving forward with that, you will have your walking trail. This one will be your walking trail, and it is no vehicle zone. That means vehicles are not allowed, and your kids also can play there. And right after that you will find your pickleball court. This will be your pickleball court, and this one will be your open gym area. And then this will be your multi-purpose court. This one will be your kite flying deck, and right beside that you will find your floral bed. This is your floral bed, and then you will find your multi-purpose community lawn. This will be your multi-purpose community lawn. Right after that you can see a pink tree, and right there you will find your garden of galleries. And then right after that you will find sitting terraces, and then will be your stepped terrace garden. Right in the middle you can find your terraces with vibrant gallery. That will be your gallery with vibrant terraces. And right after that you will have your basement. This will be your basement for your towers. Right here both the towers has the same basement here. Right in front of your towers you can find so many amenities right there. And the first one will be your reflexology path, and then after that you will find your outdoor gym area. That will be your outdoor gym area, and right after that will be your working station, and then your tree court with sitting, and that one will be your boardwalk, which you can see right there. And also right after that you can find a toddler's play area. If you have kids at home, then you can definitely take them there. This project has overall 75 plus amenities. You can visit www.getrightproperty.com and get complete listings of amenities. So why wait? Let me tell you, this entire project has 80% of open space. Right now this project is under construction, but the possession timeline is December 2029. To know more about tower pricing, then you can visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us to the given number. Most of the projects focus either on location or amenities, but Verdant Terraces focus on nature. If you're someone who loves to live around nature, then definitely this project is for you. And it has open wide balconies. If you're someone who loves to live in a luxury, then definitely this project is for you. In simple words, it is a self-sustainable project. From an advisory perspective, this is safe, practical and end-user driven project, which usually performs better in the long run. Manna Verdant Terraces is developed by Manna Developers. It holds a 26 plus years of experience and 30 plus completed projects within Sarjapur. And also the builder is known for his reliable construction and on-time delivery. If you want to know more about the builder and check their projects, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com and find them there. This project works best for long-term holders. That means if you're someone who wants to keep the project for a longer period, then this is definitely a right option for you. And it is gradual appreciation, which means the project value grows slowly, not steadily, and end use with future value growth. You can comfortably live in this project while the project value increases. At GetRight Property, you can rent, resale or even buy the property. For renting, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com and fill in your details, and our team will take care of everything. And we also work on no cost and no brokerage. If you do not have time to do the listings, then just call us to the given number and our team will get back to you and do the listings on your behalf. As we come to an end of this project, I would like to thank Karthik Gowda, Saharya and Amit Kumar for helping me out in this walkthrough. And also I would like to thank the entire team and staff of this Manna Verdant Terraces. And I would like to thank the builder for giving this opportunity and for their support.